trust and I gave you everything that you need. But you only told me lies and you made me realize.
What's up?
Hey, are you in this double-decker house with a red roof?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know if that was you or not. We're at your driveway.
Yeah, come on, buddy.
All right, cool.
Gonna hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Gonna hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Woo-hoo. Well, you're begging me to stay.
Hello, fellow Voyagers. Thanks for watching. We're coming to y'all here from Florida.
Yes, we are in Venice, Florida. We're here to help my mom move into her condo she just bought
Yes.
here in Venice. So we came a little early to do a little celebrating our 10-year anniversary.
Yeah.
So we've been having fun on the water and on the beach.
Yeah. We had a whole week in Manhattan planned, but as y'all know, this is probably not the best place to be, is in Manhattan doing shows and stuff. So we kind of traded it in for the beach. So we're kind of near Sarasota, Venice. On the way, we stopped at your cousin Kesh's house in Ashburn, Georgia, which is about 3 hours south of where we're at right now in our campground.
Yeah, in Conyers, Georgia. So it's about 3 hours or so away from Conyers.
I mean, that was fun. They're on 10 acres, little mini farm. They call it the pecan patch. They're surrounded by a pecan farm.
Yeah, they're calling their house the House of Nuts.
Yeah. It's funny too. It's like
Casa de, what is it? Casa de...
I don't know Spanish for nuts.
It's in Spanish.
Yeah. But it's cool because the house is like stucco and pink. They're slowly turning into like a tropical Georgia Southern pecan looking house. I don't know, but it's a beautiful property. We had some sunsets there and we cooked out. Long driveway, you know, next to some cow ranches and everything. My kind of speed. But that was a fun time just to stop and kind of break up the trip and then get down here. And since we've been here, we jet skied.
Yep.
Which is fun. It was the first time we both jet skied on the ocean.
Yeah. We saw a sea turtle.
Yes.
When we jet
big old sea
skied.
turtle. We were looking for dolphins because
cool.
they said they were out. But
It was so big we thought it was a stingray from far away.
Yeah.
But it was actually a turtle.
Yeah, sea turtle. His head was like that big.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. It was pretty cool.
Yeah. And
I've never seen a sea turtle, and I grew up in Florida.
Yeah.
So that was pretty neat.
Yeah. But today we're going to squeeze in a little bit more sun. I don't know which beach we're going to go to. There's so many different kinds of beaches down here.
Yeah, it's neat. There's about 20 minutes south of here, there's a black sand beach that's got a bunch of rocks, and that's really pretty. And then they've got like the one that we went to yesterday has a lot of seashells.
Yeah.
Like it's almost, I mean, it's not fully crushed seashell beach, but there's a lot of seashells.
Yeah. So. But we will be sharing some of this with you. We just want to give you a heads up where we're at. Hope everyone's staying safe. We are kind of in quarantine-free zone, I would say. We're out in the middle of the ocean.
Yeah, I mean, we're keeping our distance. You know, the beach is pretty full.
90-degree weather, so everything, all the germs are getting killed.
Yeah.
Okay, when I think that I'm gonna go underwater and I don't want to plug my nose with my hand, I just go like this. I use my lips.
It's effective, but she looks like a fish every time.
It's really effective though. I can go completely upside down and no water's gonna get up my nose.
All right, let's see.
Nope. Big wave.
Fishes. So we were jet skiing. I know we were walking on the beach down there to the jetty, and she goes, "Oh, look, there's a dolphin!" And look, I found Cory's dolphin again. You see it? You see? It's a guy swimming.
I'm not wearing my glasses.
Oh, I think I saw that fish. I was gonna say, one of the best things, we were, like, her mom offered for us to stay in a hotel and everything, because that's what they're doing as they transition moving in here. But I was like, nope, we have our hotel right there.
Yeah,
I mean, it's our home, but the fact that we can move it and we can control the atmosphere inside. We can control all the germs coming in and out of there.
Yeah.
Another benefit of the RV life.
It's just peace of mind because we know how clean it is because we cleaned it.
Or how dirty
you know?
it is.
Or
'cause we
how
didn't
dirty
clean it.
because it's not clean right now. But yeah, it would just feel a little odd being in a hotel right now, relying on other people to clean the surfaces that you're using and all that kind of stuff. So
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys haven't ever thought of RVing.
Another perk when there's a
this
pandemic.
is a pretty good perk of that.
A mobile home that you can control virally.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
the dog got haircuts. You'll probably see Miko. He got a haircut. Sadie's actually, she's gonna need some surgery on one of her bumps. So she has a donut on her head right now. She's been growing some hair follicles, cyst, and one of them popped on the way down here. We were hoping to have it fixed
Yep.
in the beginning of June, but it happened on the trip. So we did a little bit of juggling of that as well. But with all that said, we're gonna hit the beach. Y'all enjoy a little jet ski footage from yesterday, and we'll see y'all next week. Thanks for watching. Subscribe,
Catch you guys
thumbs
later.
up. See
Bye.
ya. Joy on the road.
Joy on the road.
We're wakeboarding. Or no, we are.
We're jet skiing.
Yeah. We
Look at this water. This water is beautiful. So pretty.
So we are in Sarasota. We're in a jet ski for an hour. We're cruising the river bank or boat bank, so we can't go fast yet. But
What is it called?
I don't know, intercoastal.
Intercoastal. Yeah.
With the water.
Where everybody goes in and out.
The water's crystal clear, and we're going to see some dolphins. So we hear.
Hopefully.
So
Hopefully we see some dolphins.
look how pretty it is. All these houses. There we go. So we're looking for dolphins. They said there's a bunch of dolphins out here.
We haven't found any yet. Oh, look, there's
No. No, this is deep. We're out here, babe. It's just that clear. Off the coast, the Gulf Coast. You having fun? You having fun? And where? Happy 10 year. That's a sea turtle. Come here, buddy. We just saw we just saw a giant sea turtle. Just playing out in the ocean. So we had fun.
Yeah.
Cory flipped me.
No, he flipped himself. And so he didn't flip both of us. I pushed him in the rest of the way.
Yeah. And I immediately jumped back on the jet ski out there. I was like, sharks, sharks, sharks. Daddy, sharks, 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 sharks. Look how pretty it is.
Beautiful out here.
A little bit of our 10-year anniversary for y'all. Your viewing pleasure.